Hi, this is Steve Hoffacker. I'm a Certified Aging in Place Specialist, CAPS, and a Master Instructor, and I would really love to work with you to help you get your CAPS designation as well. Why would you want to become CAPS? To work with people as they are aging in place. We're all getting older, so our job as a CAPS is to help people make the most of their current living situation, to make their homes safer, more convenient, more accessible for them. And it's with this knowledge and additional education that you can do that. It's not necessary that it be full-time. It can be, but you can start exactly where you are. If you're in healthcare, if you're in government, if you're in emergency services, architecture, interior design, durable medical equipment, whatever you're doing, you can add these credentials as an adjunct to your current role. You can then work into doing it full-time if you like. I can help you with that, but the first thing to do is to get started. Enroll today in the CAPS classes. Oh, you can't take 3 days in a row? That's okay. Take one a week or one every other week until you've taken the 3 days that are required for your designation. This is Steve Hoffacker. I look forward to helping you attain your CAPS designation. Thanks for joining me.